ชวิตบัวทอง
Morning.
Morning.
My name is Shawit Botong. I am graduating a bachelor degree in accounting from Songkhla Ratchapat University. I am 20 years old. I come from Tram. I am a fast learner. I can learn things quickly. In my free time, I enjoy playing sport, playing music and watching movies.
Why do you want to work here?
Because I like the company product and service.
What hour can you work?
I can work flexible hours.
Do you have any question for me?
Yes, I do. What is the most important part of this job?